welcome to Creative by Nature. My name is Donna. Today I'm participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge. It's where we're to take $5 and go thrift shopping or garage sales or what have you, just looking for secondhand items, spending a total of $5 and then taking those items and either creating a DIY like I will be doing or incorporating it into your own home. I found these two old picture frames and they were $1.50 each, so that makes it a total of $3. I'm going to take these two and I'm going to transform them into something for my walls to match another piece that I had made for my summer decor. Okay, so here are my two completed succulent picture frames. I am super happy with how these turned out. I will show you what they look like on my dining room walls here in a moment. First, I want to just say Thank you so much to Hilary. I absolutely love this challenge. And I also want to say thank you to all my fellow participants. There's always fantastic inspiration here. And thank you all for watching.